Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up automatic investments Fidelity. Go to Google and search for automatic Fidelity investment like so, and click on the first link, which will bring you to a website like this. From there, you want to scroll down until you find this option and click on get started. And what it's going to do is, as you can see, let us handle the investing, and then you're going to click on get started one more time. But yeah, it's kind of messed up. They have to make you click get started twice. So your profile, do you want to do it for retirement or for healthcare or for like any money or anything you want to do? Let's say we choose something else, but please choose according to whatever your needs are. And then if you have an individual, you're going to select this one, joint right or joint tenants. You want to click like this. So let's say we want something that is personal. So which year were you born? Let's say we were born in 2000. Do you have a partner? Let's say no. And what's your current annual income before taxes? So you don't include your tax. So let's say your annual income is 50, and then you're going to click on next. How much money do you need to reach your investing goal? Let's say you want to buy a Ferrari, and let's say that costs this much, but please choose according to you. And in how many years? Let's say that we want to buy a Ferrari in 10 years, so we're going to choose 10. Again, this is just a step-by-step tutorial. Please choose whatever option is the most suitable for you. What will be your initial deposit? Let's say you're starting with 500, and after that, how much? Let's say you can choose 100, or you can also go for 1,000. That completely depends on you. And then it says, what's your comfort with the risk? Are you willing to take less risk or like high risk? Like what is your amount? If you see, if we choose more risk, then if our initial deposit is 500, then domestic stock we'd get 300, foreign we'd get 125, bond 72, short term 2. And if we choose less risk, then as you can see, for like it's literally less than half. That was 50%, but we're only getting 35%. And then we're going to click on next. As you can see, congrats, you've done this and that, blah 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 blah. And after that, what we're going to do is click on create account right over here. So they were just confirming everything on your end, but after choosing everything, we're going to click on create account and let it load, and then click on next. And now from here, what you need to do is put up all of your details. So your full name, your SSN, your date of birth, country of citizenship, mobile number, email, where do you live, things like that. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.